ladies, and welcome back to Still Looking Good 58. I am Faith, and I came to you guys today because I felt compelled to do so. I put up a video on this channel as well as on my TikTok and my Instagram about this unit that I'm wearing. This is the Kalyss knotless braided wig that I recently purchased from Amazon, and you guys know I was raving about the unit, and I still really love this unit. But as you saw if you were watching my TikTok and my other YouTube short, there is an issue with this unit. Granted, it's lightweight. I think it's very well constructed. I think the price was right. It fits my head perfectly, but as you guys know, it has double lace, and that prevents it from being laid down properly, at least the way that I want to lay it down. So I wanted to come to you guys and tell you how I fixed the problem, because I did fix it. And I wanted you to know that you do not have to do this, but if you want your unit to lay really flat, I would suggest that you watch what I'm about to show you. Okay, I'm in the process of taking this wig off, and I just laid it down really fast because I was in a hurry, but I want you to see what this lace is doing. It is like double. Just like I said, it's double lace. And so where the lace that was down here ended was like right up here somewhere. There's a little piece that's stuck up here. And then the double lace began. So let me show you on the side what's happening. Over here, as I lift this, you can see that, look, you can see that there's double lace. There's double lace. There's a lace up here, then there's this lace down here. This is the lace I'm gonna try to get off without messing up the lace up here. So once I figure that all out, I'll show you guys and I'll come back. Okay, I want you guys to see what I'm about to do. This is the inside of the cap that has the double lace. There are 3 seams on here that go all the way through. This seam, this one in the middle, and this one on the side. These go all the way through, so I'm not gonna be able to pull the lace off of those. But what I'm gonna do is just concentrate on the front part, because really closely, I don't know if you can see this, but really closely there is a seam here. There's a seam, so I'm gonna be able to open that up, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open that seam up, and I'm only going to cut from where these combs are over just the front part to this other comb, just so that I can have a free area of just one piece of lace for the front, because the front's really all I'm concerned about. So once I cut this off, I'll show you guys what I did, and hopefully that will work. Okay, so what I did was I took the 2 combs out so that I could disconnect some of this lace from the other. So I kind of started in, maybe a couple of inches in, and just started cutting from one side to the other just to get this front part loose. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my seam ripper and I'm gonna go into this seam here, and I'm gonna disconnect this very carefully. That's what I've been doing with this seam ripper. If you sew, you know what I'm talking about. This seam ripper I need to do very carefully to get this lace off, because I'm really only concerned about the front. I just want the front to be able to lay down without being doubled up, and I'm gonna worry about the rest of it later. Okay, I took just this much off inside the front, just so that I could have a flat surface to lay the unit down. Then I took my Fit Me powder and my brush, and I started putting the powder in the squares, because once you take this lace off from underneath the front, it gets real dark. But the powder worked. So now all I have to do is lay it down. It's gonna be nice and flat. It's gonna be nice and flat when I lay it down with the eben. So I'm really happy with the result. And I mean, you guys don't have to do all of this, but I like my laydowns to be slayed. And that's really what my intent was. So now that I've got it where I know it can be slayed, I'm good to go. So I hope this helped you guys. Okay, and granted the video was kind of vertical because I had recorded it on my camera, but suffice it to say, I still wanted you guys to see what I did and why I did it. And so I hope that helped you. And I also wanted to give you another tip. As I said, I purchased this unit on Amazon. It was $109 and they gave me $10 off. That's what it was. So it was $109. I wanted to tell you that this company Kalyss is also on AliExpress, and I found the exact same wig on AliExpress at the Kalyss store for $62.99. Okay, so I guess what I'm saying to you is you do not have to get this unit at Amazon. You can go to AliExpress, go to the Kalyss store, and you'll find the same wig. Now, they may not have all the colors that the Amazon store has, but they have this unit in several colors on AliExpress, same company, same wig, for $62.80 something cents or something like that. So I got myself a black one from AliExpress because you guys know I have been getting stuff from there recently. So I would suggest that if you want to save some coins, that you go and get it at AliExpress if you still want this unit. But I love it, and now that I have laid it down properly, and now that I have taken off the front of that lace, it just looks so much better. Again, it's a very comfortable cap. It's lightweight. It's 36 inches long. I love this brown color. And now I'm going to be able to do all the kind of manipulation to it that I want to do to it because I don't have to deal with that double lace in the front. And again, I used powder to make up for that lace being gone because the back of it is darker. I mean, the back of it is more tan because it has that double lace, but since I took it off, the front I'm using powder to make up for that. And you can put, you know, concealer there, you can spray it with your Ebin or whatever you want to do. But this is what I did. So I just wanted to come and tell you guys this, and to just, you know, I just needed to put a disclaimer on the fact that I really, really love this wig, but there was something that I needed to change on it. So I hope this helped you guys, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments. And as I always say, if you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course, so are you. See you next time.